Good evening once again. I hope everyone is logging to the second link because I tried the first link but I was unable to rejoin the earlier link. Prasad sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I hope the other students are not trying the first link again. I have dropped in the
Yes,
message also.
ओके.
Yeah,
नो मैम, स्टूडेंट तो ज्वाइन नहीं है इसमें, मतलब काउंट ज़्यादा है अभी.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. We'll move ahead. Uh, I would like to continue with the strategic management so that we finish this particular chapter today. So maybe in the next session we'll take project management because वो link टूटना नहीं चाहिए. So we'll cover the topic today. 17, 16. Okay. फाइन. सो एबल्स बिजनेस डेफिनेशन मॉडल बेसिकली आपको समझ में आया होगा. मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है पिज्जा हट का, मैंने एग्जांपल दिया है टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर का एज अ प्रोडक्ट. And here is one more example with respect to a time keeping business, that is a watch. तो ये जो थ्री एक्सिस दिखा रहे हैं is a similar to what we talked about, that is customers, टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड कस्टमर ग्रुप्स. यहाँ पे जस्ट उसको अलग तरीके से दिखाया है, आप उसमें कंफ्यूज ना हो इसलिए ये मैंने बुक का यहाँ पे पोस्ट किया है so that you don't get confused. Meaning वही है. The only thing is that the access over here is customer group. For example, if it is a watch as a product, तो कस्टमर ग्रुप उन्होंने अलग अलग किया है, सेगमेंटेशन किया है वहां पे, चिल्ड्रन, men, women. Okay. Again, I would further classify it as scientific watches, maybe sports watches, sportsmen के लिए अलग, साइंटिस्ट के लिए अलग, engineers के लिए अलग, housewife के लिए अलग. I would do based on my company's goals, which customer I want to target. ये जो मैंने पहले वाला लास्ट लेक्चर में एक वीडियो दिखाया था, दैट इज ऑल्सो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एबल्स बिजनेस डेफिनेशन मॉडल दिखाने के लिए. जैसे कार बिजनेस में कि सम एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आर नाउ शोइंग द कार स्पेसिफिकली टू वर्किंग वुमेन ऑल्सो. पहले ऐसे एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं थे. अगर कोई ऑटोमोबाइल स्पेशली द फोर व्हीलर का एड दिखाया जाता था तो प्रिडोमिनेंटली मेल्स वर शोन. Okay. Now I'm not talking about the mopeds and the scooter. I'm talking about the four-wheeler automobile industry. So now they have come that women power, women empowerment. So based on that, there are certain four-wheelers which are, launched. Or the men having the toughness is shown. जो हमने पहले वाला ad देखा. So there are multiple criterias which are actually helping us segment our customers group. ओके. यहाँ पे दूसरा वाला एक्शन नीड का है. यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला है फंक्शन. ओके. कि अगर XYZ ग्रुप ऑफ कस्टमर है, वेदर चिल्ड्रन है, तो वो स्पोर्ट्स के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं या खाली एग्जाम के लिए एलिमेंट्री सीधा साधा वॉच, उनका यूटिलिटी क्या है. अगर मैन एंड वुमेन है तो डेली यूज के लिए है या फिर अगर कोई फंक्शन के लिए है, वेदर दे आर गोइंग टू यूज इट एज एन ऑर्नामेंट. ओके. सो किसके लिए है, वो क्या फंक्शन करने वाला है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द नीड्स. और बीच वाला ये जो अल्टरनेटिव टेक्नोलॉजीज है, whether it is scientific, whether it is quartz, whether it is mechanical, which technology you are going to actually implement here in this particular case of time keeping business, that is the watch manufacturing company. Do you find this easy example? Okay. So here we are actually pointing out various, complete scenario about the implication of, defining your business plan, defining your business scope. Okay, among these three dimensions. Okay, so this particular model is providing us a insight so that we understand and define our business plan. That is the significance. Moving ahead. Here is another example of car dealership. I'll just go through because we have already talked about many examples. Who are the customers? Maybe rich and powerful, the urban family, working class hero, suburban family, housewife. Who is your customer? What that is what needs to be motivating these people to take a particular purchasing or buying decision? Maybe peer pressure, I want to show off, maybe status, maybe macho man kind of a image banani hai mujhe. I want a spiritual thing, serene, I want to enjoy peace of mind. There are few people those who actually purchase a car by seeing just most important safety features. Usko airbags hai ki nahi, might be ये priority of checklist सबके अलग रहेंगे. Okay, and there are few who may have to have just wonderful driving experience, long drive के लिए जाना है, urban family है, उनके लिए weekend के लिए buy कर रहे हैं, whatever. So what is the need? Some questions that a customer may ask themselves when buying a car may be following: is it efficient and cost effective? Is it fast and sporty? If it is bold and strong, comfortable and luxurious, spacious and reliable, whether the sales service उसका पास में है या मुझे बहुत आगे जाके नहीं मिलने वाला है, कितने मेरे एरिया में है उनके सर्विस स्टेशंस. So many questions can be worked out, okay, with respect to कार डीलरशिप बिजनेस. एक्चुअली मेरे विसिनिटी में दूसरा कुछ कंपटीटर है क्या जो वही सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? These are some of the business scope definition questions. And finally, how are you going to give it? Cars that are powerful with big wheels, bold and spacious, depending upon the purchasing power. Okay, maybe as a dealer, your technology will be the systems needed to acquire these cars and market them in the right way at the right time to the right people. So friends, here I wanted to show you all this video of 12 minutes for Abel's business model, but I guess everything is rightly explained. Are there any doubts? If there are any doubts, we can watch this video. Otherwise, I would expect that you all can watch this video later at your time space. I will post it right now on your groups so that you all can visualize this after the session and I don't forget as well. Just a moment. I have posted this link. Okay, so we will not invest our time here in watching the video because you all are aware about this particular business model. Any doubts in this? Anyone? Any single person having a doubt? Any clarification which is required? Any reflections on Abel's business model? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say something. Otherwise, maybe accidentally मैंने mute किया होगा और मैं बोलती जाऊंगी या फिर maybe there might be some technical glitch and I may not be able to understand that. So बीच बीच में आप थोड़ा क्वेश्चन पूछो या बात करो या अपना खुद का कुछ इनपुट भी आप दे सकते हो. ठीक है, फिर आप लोग एबल्स बिजनेस मॉडल देख लेना बाद में. ठीक है, फॉर टाइम मैनेजमेंट आई एम नॉट शोइंग इट राइट नाउ. We have taken probably 3 to 4 examples. So here I would like to again revisit. I want you all to have this group activity. Please note it down somewhere so that you don't miss it. Craft, probably ये मैंने बोला है पहले भी. Probably I'm repeating this, so we'll go quickly. You may consider this as a recall. Craft a mission statement for a company or group agrees. कैसे ग्रुप बनाना है ये मैंने पहले भी बताया है. जैसे रायगढ़ ग्रुप बेस्ड ऑन फोर्ट्स, आप डिसाइड कर लो 5-6 लोग इकट्ठा आके या 8 लोग मैक्सिमम इकट्ठा आके ग्रुप बनाओ अपने ग्रुप को नाम दो. These groups will be used both for SM and PM. Whatever assignments or group activities I will give, I want someone to take lead and submit the group. either to me or just check whether how we can submit it. Maybe you can mail it to me at rachna@matrixpune.com. Everyone has my email ID. So आप एक मतलब लीडर जो होगा ग्रुप का वो मुझे मैसेज करेगा, 5 या 8 लोग अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे. आई होप दिस इज लाउड एंड क्लियर. और सब्जेक्ट लाइन में आई नीड टू नो कि आपका सब्जेक्ट क्या है, नहीं मतलब whether it is assignment related, group activity related या कोई अलग SIP related है. तो I need to bifurcate. So have that habit of email etiquettes, okay, so that we don't mess up the emails and they are addressed appropriately. So you all are going to assume yourself that you all are executives, that is could be the company you work in, it could be as I said SIP company जहाँ पे आप SIP कर रहे हो उनके लिए, या फिर I think many submissions have already been done. मुझे बहुत अच्छे interesting submissions मिले हैं already by many of y'all. I'm happy that most of y'all have already submitted this mission statement. Many of them have created their creative company, dream company है या फिर ऐसे assignment के लिए company बनाई है और उसके लिए vision and mission statement बना के भेजा है. I'm really happy with whatever efforts y'all are taking, those who have already done it. So here it should include the reason for existence, what that organization does, a statement of some future desired state, that is the vision, a statement of key value that an organization is committed to, that is the values, and the measurable desired future goals. ये आपको ड्राफ्ट करके सबमिट करना है और ये आप 5-6 मैक्सिमम 8 लोग टुगेदर एक ही सबमिशन है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, सबके लिए अलग अलग नहीं दे रही हूँ, लेकिन वो सबमिशन में सबके नाम, रोल नंबर, स्पेशलाइजेशन आना बहुत जरूरी है, सो दैट आई गिव देम द मार्क्स अकॉर्डिंगली. अगर टाइम परमिट्स देन वी कैन हैव प्रेजेंटेशंस, ओके, दैट आई कैन नॉट कमिट राइट नाउ, बट as a group activity you all can have a 2 minutes 3 minutes presentation. We can schedule it sometimes later. Alternate activity यहाँ पे मैंने दिया है, identify any sector and select 2 companies, one Indian and one MNC of the same product or service. Make a presentation on its vision, mission, values and goals. कोई बोलेगा कि मैम मैं तो किसी के साथ बात नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे कॉन्टेक्ट ही नहीं है, मैं फुल टाइम बिजी हूँ, मेरा ये चल रहा है वो चल रहा है, फलाना फलाना रीजन से. तो उनके लिए ये एक्टिविटी अल्टरनेटिव दे रही हूँ सो दैट नन ऑफ यू ऑल मिस इट. So this is an alternative for that. Make a presentation. You may make use of PPT slides along with 1 or 2 minutes video or TVC, that is the TV commercials, or images to support your presentations, making it interesting. Your slide should have your details, and this is applicable for all of y'all. That is maybe it a group presentation or a individual presentation. The slide pack be labeled as group name, decided mutually. For example, Raigad group account number 1 or orange group. It should not be account, actually assignment number 1 होना चाहिए. Please rectify that. It is assignment number 1 or group assignment number 1. Raigad या orange, based on whatever you feel to. Give your group members details on the title slide so that I come to know their roll number, their details, so that I mark it easily. This is the sample title slide for all of you all. Group activity number 1 by Raigad group. Group members are maybe your name, seat number, specialization. Below it you will write the activity title of the activity, and for example vision and mission of Mahindra Mighty Cars, जैसे मैंने पिछले बार आपको वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखाया था. Okay, so this is one sample slide. अभी आपको इतना सारा हम लोग दे रहे हैं तो you need not have any questions on this particular aspect कि कैसे सबमिट करें, क्या सबमिट करें. Everything is now clear. Here are few of the guidelines quickly. Form a group of 5 to 6 members and label the group along with the name, seat number and specialization. Report these details to Prasad sir today itself. यहाँ पे I will just rectify. You can give it to me directly. Will not include Prasad sir. Probably, I mean, I don't want to engage him for this small activity. You can directly send it to me. We will be using this group for future activities also. इसलिए मैं ये दोहरा रही हूँ. And this will be used for evaluation purpose. So this is the process. When any activity is announced, take time and effort so that you come prepared for the presentations. These would be the there would be group presentations with one common PPT slide pack, and you all will divide the task as per your convenience and speak at least on one slide. saying your name before you start, as it will be carrying marks. Those missing this would be getting mandatory or other submissions and will inform about later. अगर ये भी किसी ने miss किया, then with director sir's permission, we'll have to think something else about it. Okay, so this was one of the session in which we completed the business definition, Abel's matrix business model definition, which was the important thing. And these are the further things which we are going to talk about just now. Just I'll move on to other slide pack. So moving ahead, because this is the last slide pack, I have put on the details once more. And we are talking about the strategy development. Here are the takeaway from this quick session, wherein we have come at the end of the session. We are going to talk about the critical success factors, the key performance indicators, the key result areas, that is the KPI and the KRAs. What are the components of a strategic plan? Basically, the components we have seen earlier, we'll just revisit here. So I'm not going to give much emphasis here. What are the ETOPS? And at the end, Porter's 5-force model. Just to recall, there are few slides which are repetitive, so I'll not spend much time on it. I want you all to visualize this with whatever concepts we are talking about. We are come at the end of the strategy first chapter, hence I have recalled this slide once more. For those who are missing or for those who are not present earlier, this is the basic slide which you need to have in your mind. You should never go wrong in this particular understanding. Okay, the corporate strategies, the business strategies, and the functional strategies. Please try to have this particular slide imbibed in your mind. Okay. So friends, talking about the critical success factors, that is the CSF. Basically, when we talk about, these are very crucial key success factors or key strategic factors. Just a moment. Just a minute. Yes. Yeah, sorry for that interruption for a while. So we were talking about the critical success factors. So basically, when we talk about the critical success factors, these are crucial for any organization. उनके success के लिए बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत मायने रखते हैं. Okay, so these critical success factors basically, you know what is a strategist? Okay, a strategist जो strategic decision लेता है organization के लिए, the top authorities. So when these strategists consciously look for such some specific factors, okay, and they consider it for some strategic management, definitely they are likely to be more successful, putting in relatively less efforts. Okay, so these are defined by the strategist and considered for strategic management, wherein by optimal utilization of the resources, I would call it as less efforts में ज़्यादा success, then we call them as a critical success factors. For example, when we talk about any such company, these are the 3 steps that we can visualize. Okay, these are the 3 steps for determining the critical success factors of any company. First one is to generate success factors. What does it take to be successful in business? मैं पूछ सकती हूँ, मेरा USP क्या रहेगा? मेरा business success factor किसके आधार पे है? कौन से वो factors हैं? I need to define that. That is in order to generate success factors. Then you need to refine these success factors into objectives. Chop it down. That is refine your CSF, which you have defined, which you have generated. What should be the organization's goal? How I'm going to classify it into measurable objectives? Okay, I need to align them with the success factors which I have defined. Accordingly, I'm refining it. I'm filtering it. I'm focusing on some specific not all. And lastly, identify measures of performance. Okay, that is how I'm going to know whether the organization has been successful, how I'm going to understand, is there any look back and evaluation that okay, iski wajah se humne ye hasil kiya. You need to have certain matrices in place. Are you following? See, these are the 3 steps for a typical company, to define the critical success factors. Okay. So I would like your attention now. I'll give one example. Say, कौन सा एग्जाम्पल ले, कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट कंपनी ले सकते हैं, जैसे कार. अगर हमने कार डिफाइन किया है, तो आई नीड टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर इनटू. ओके, व्हाट आर द क्वालिटी फैक्टर्स. माइलेज देख सकती हूँ मैं, रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ दैट कार, कंफर्ट दे सकती हूँ मैं, क्रिटिकल सक्सेस फैक्टर. ओके, अकॉर्डिंगली आई कैन डिफाइन माय सक्सेस फैक्टर्स. ओके, प्राइस हो सकती है, ओके, परफॉर्मेंस हो सकता है. आई मे डिफाइन इट. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई वांट इनपुट फ्रॉम यू. कैन यू गिव एनी एग्जांपल्स? से मैंने यहाँ पे बाम्बू टूथब्रश का एग्जांपल लिया है. यू कैन विजिट bambooindia.com. यू विल फाइंड मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स मेड फ्रॉम बांबू. म्हणजे सगळ्यांना बांबू माहिती आहे ना, बांबू त्याच्यापासून बनवलेला टूथब्रश आहे. Now, if I want to launch this product under my brand, okay, or maybe in my say supermarket, what is the critical success factor which I can define it and I can promote it? I may have one important critical success factor of bamboo toothbrush is environment friendly, because it is not using plastic. It is using bamboo, which is reusable, easily disposable material. Okay, versus normal any branded toothbrush. That would be my strategic critical success factor for marketing of bamboo toothbrush. Are you following, friends? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. Just like bamboo bottles as well, like some of companies has launched recently, which is made in India and it is affordable and plastic free as well.
Yeah, similarly, क्ले का भी आया है मार्केट में, देखा है आपने? जैसे आपने बोला वुडन का है, वैसे क्ले का भी आया है बॉटल्स.
क्ले का नहीं देखा, बट बैम्बू का देखा है.
हाँ, मैंने अभी पिछले हफ्ते देखा है. तो हमारा इंडियन कोई मतलब लोकल पुणे का एक है, जो 3 friends have come together and launched one company. So they are promoting the bottles made from earthen clay, and they also have come up with the frying pan, तवा. ओके, क्लेचे तवे पण आलेले आहेत, एन्व्हायरमेंट फ्रेंडली. ऑफकोर्स प्लास्टिकचे तवे नव्हते, पण आवन के लिए प्लास्टिक के तवे यूज होते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन यूज नाउ दिस अदर ऑप्शंस. यस, सो याला अंडरस्टैंडिंग द क्रिटिकल सक्सेस फैक्टर. ओके, तो अगर हमने टूथब्रश का और एग्जांपल अगर लिया या टूथपेस्ट का लिया, तो मे बी उनका क्रिटिकल सक्सेस फैक्टर है, उनको सॉल्ट है, फ्लेवर है, फ्रेशनेस है, फोम वाला है, whatever XYZ. So are you understanding the critical success factor? हर एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए अलग हो सकता है, right? That has to be defined, and that we come to know through advertisements. That is why ये advertisement का business इतना चलता है, so that is a window of that product presentation, so that हम लोग झांकते हैं उनके विंडो से, देखते हैं उनका प्रोडक्ट उनके नजर से. Understand? So moving ahead, this is critical success factor. कोई क्वेश्चन अभी तक? Yes, friends. Okay, so let's move ahead with key performance indicators. Fine. I hope I'm not going too fast or too slow. We are keeping the time and moving ahead with the further topics. Okay. So KPI and KRIs, probably those who are working in the industry might have gone through these KPIs and KRIs, because एटलीस्ट वन अप्राइजेस साइकिल किसी ने अगर गो थ्रू किया है, डेफिनेटली उनके लिए बहुत इजी रहेगा ये अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, क्योंकि अप्रेजल्स आर बेस्ड ऑन दैट सर्टेन processes in which key performance indicators play crucial role. Okay, so what are these? So these are matrices, measures in terms of which the critical success factors are evaluated or compared. I gave an example of a HR. अगर HR का मैनेजर की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स बता रहा है तो वो उसके एम्प्लॉइज के अप्रेजल के बारे में वो बात कर रहा है, उनको कौन से मैंने कॉम्पिटेंसी देखी है, स्किल सेट्स देखे हैं, जिनको मैंने उनको टारगेट दिए हैं वो अचीव हो रहे हैं. ये हो गया HR के पर्सपेक्टिव एग्जांपल. अगर प्रोडक्ट के हिसाब से हम लोग बात करें तो वो प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में कैसे चल रहा है उसका मैट्रिक्स होता है, मेजर होता है बेस्ड ऑन इट्स market capture. Okay, so you need these KPIs help us define, measure in terms of which CSFs are evaluated and which has to be, probably some of them have to be compared. They help us define and measure the objectives basically. Okay, KPIs are basically they are helping us the organization to define and measure प्रोग्रेस टुवर्ड्स इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, कि हम लोग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं, किए हैं अचीव या नहीं किए हैं, क्या है स्टेटस, ये केपीआई बताते हैं. दैट इज द की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, द अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द क्रिटिकल सक्सेस फैक्टर्स विद केपीआई इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल एंड इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि दे गिव एवरीवन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अ क्लियर पिक्चर ऑफ व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट and what they need to do to accomplish their task or goal or objectives. सब stakeholder को एक same line of thought पे लेके आता है ये KPI. Okay, so clarity of thoughts for all the stakeholders on how to accomplish the set objectives is given by KPI definitions. These are defined, these are informed. It becomes a very strategic, important tool to motivate also the employees to achieve the objectives. अगर कोई employee है, okay, probably that person is new or old, whoever it is. अगर key performance indicators उसको clarity उसके manager ने नहीं दिया है, it is a very important strategic tool to improve the moral of that employee or stamp that employee and throw him out. प्लीज रिमेंबर, वो करवा सकता है वो फंक्शनल मैनेजर. ओके, आपके साथ अच्छी तरह से बात करता है, फ्रेंडली बिहेव कर सकता है, लेकिन वो एचआर पर्सपेक्टिव ने अगर देखा जाए, ही मे मिसगाइड यू. आपके की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स डॉक्यूमेंटेड रहते हैं. यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ऑल्सो, एंड यू नीड टू सी दैट योर की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स एज अ एम्प्लॉय आर डिफाइंड एंड नोन टू यू. अगर नहीं है then it will be really demotivating. Okay, और अगर किसी लीडर को a proper leader, relevant leader is that person who will understand first of all the KPIs and make his team also understand what are the KPIs, so that together as a team it is achieved, so that the organization is benefited. Please remember, organization is bigger than employees. In the sense, organization के goal achieve होते हैं तो हमारे भी personal goal automatically achieve हो जाते हैं. You need to think in that perspective. For example, a company might have a strong vision to be the most profitable company in the market. To make this vision operational, KPIs are to be determined. For example, shareholder equity that measures the profitability. Okay, so here KPIs are applied in business intelligence for, I mean, that may be another example. It may be applied in business intelligence, so that you need to tap on the current business, maybe data analytics, tap on the current technology, tap on the current market. Probably that skill set अगर नहीं है तो आपको develop करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so background thing चलता जाएगा, लेकिन there should be measurable objectives that actually help us build the key performance indicators which you need to know basically and be prepared so that they are achieved. Moving ahead with the KPIs and KRAs, I hope that was useful for you to understand KPIs and KRAs. Key result areas now we'll talk about. Key result areas are achieved through key performance indicators. Please remember this always. आपका जो परफॉर्मेंस आउटकम है, रिजल्ट एरियाज है, वो अचीव कैसे करेंगे? की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स जानने के बाद. सो KRAs outline the profile of the employee. आपकी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन से शुरू होता है वो, अगर एचआर का एग्जांपल लिया तो उसी तरह से प्रोडक्ट का भी आपको स्पेसिफिकेशन डॉक्यूमेंट रहता है. सिमिलरली they in short outline the tasks that the employees has to perform and define the work that is expected out of him or her. Those are the key result areas. अगर हम प्रोडक्ट के इस हिसाब से बात करें तो अगर मुझे बाम्बू का टूथब्रश लॉन्च करना है, आई नीड टू नो दैट द क्रिटिकल सक्सेस फैक्टर इज द एनवायरमेंट और गोइंग ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव इज द की सक्सेस फैक्टर. तो मुझे की रिजल्ट एरियाज भी डिफाइन करने पड़ेंगे. आई नीड टू नो विच आर द, आई नीड टू प्रोफाइल माई कस्टमर, क्योंकि प्रोबेबली लॉन्चिंग के वक्त उसका कॉस्ट हाई रहेगा. तो उसका प्राइसिंग करते वक्त प्रोडक्ट का आई नीड टू रियली बी वेरी थॉटफुल इन विच लोकेलिटी आई एम लॉन्चिंग, इन विच कंट्री आई एम लॉन्चिंग. अगर मुझे वो सिंगापुर में लॉन्च करना है, ऑब्वियसली उसका प्राइस बहुत हाई रहने वाला है, बिकॉज very few manufacturing companies are there, negligible manufacturing companies are there in Singapore. लेकिन अगर मलेशिया या फिर इंडिया probably हम लोग कंसिडर करें तो डेफिनेटली बाम्बू के बहुत सारे बागान है यहाँ पे. यू कैन डेफिनेटली हैव सम. पुणे में ही वेल्ले नाम का एक विलेज है. ओके, जो द होल विलेज इज बीन अडॉप्टेड बाय वन पर्सन, मिस्टर योगेश शिंदे, who was a employee with Barclay. He quit his job, he was a VP there. He quit his job and he has taken the initiative of Go Green. He has his bambooindia.com company, which has adopted that Vellegaon in Pune, और वो बाम्बू का बिजनेस करता है अच्छी तरह से. एंड ही इज ऑल्सो हैविंग अ वेरी ह्यूज CSR, मतलब वो सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से करता है. सो इट्स अ गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ KPIs and KRAs. So probably when we talk about from the HR perspective as a second example, key performance indicators are the ones that indicate the steps or tasks to achieve the result areas. The KPIs are basically helping us to achieve the KRA. Okay, so KRA, that is the key result areas, are primary responsibility of any individual. For area a person is accountable, and definitely it differs from person to person. Okay, so definitely from HR perspective, as an example, if I give KPI and KRA, it all begins with goal setting. That exercise starts with goal setting only at the top. Okay, उसके बेसिस पे अगर वो HR मैनेजर है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, KRA क्या हो सकते हैं उसके लिए? बेसिकली KRA डिपेंड्स ऑन उसका प्रोफाइल क्या है, उसका डेजिग्नेशन क्या है, उसके स्किल सेट्स क्या है. कंपिटेंसी की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो वो होता है उसका की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर्स. ओके, और उसके कंपिटेंसी के बेसिस पे उसका अप्रेजल होता है. ओके, सो
the goals are set by the management level itself, right? Individuals do not have to do it.
See, it all begins with goal setting. मैंने बात की है. अगर गोल ही डिफाइन नहीं है उनके हायर अथॉरिटी ने, तो HR मैनेजर क्या कर सकता है KPI और KRA के बारे में? मैंने यहाँ बात की है गोल सेटिंग ऑलरेडी डन बाय द टॉप अथॉरिटीज. तो उसका इनिशिएशन वही हो जाता है जो लोग जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन बनाते हैं, जो लोग जॉब प्रोफाइल बनाते हैं. It comes at a very high level. It is not at this tactical level. Okay, it comes at a middle level rather. वहां पे गोल सेटिंग होता है HR के लिए, HR पर्सपेक्टिव से. ओके, यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
या मैंने दोनों एग्जांपल्स दिए आपको. प्रोडक्ट के हिसाब से पहले एग्जांपल दिया. नाउ आई एम गिविंग एग्जांपल अगेन विद द HR पर्सपेक्टिव, because these terminologies are used in both the segments. Okay, so basically when we talk about the key performance indicators, these are matrices used to define and measure the progress towards a particular goal or KRAs. सामने KRA रखा जाता है कि रिजल्ट एरिया आपके पास ये कॉम्पिटेंसी है, आप ये अचीव कर सकते हो, ये डिफाइन होता है बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रोफाइल. इसका मतलब है मैपिंग होना जरूरी है, आपका प्रोफाइल का और आपके स्किल सेट का और आपके कंपिटेंसी का. अगर ये मैपिंग नहीं किया आपके मैनेजर ने तो हो गया बेड़ागर्क. You will not be appraised properly, even though if you perform. There may be certain glitches. So ये पूरा अच्छी तरह से होना चाहिए. KPIs are quantifiable measurement. Okay, and you all should be aware about it beforehand. That also reflects the critical success factors of an individual in an organization wherever he is working. Okay, are you all following this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is an
Yes,
example.
ma'am.
Yes. And I'm sure that all of you all will understand the KPI and KRA based on your own profile, जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हो. और जिन लोगों का बिजनेस है, आप बनाओ KPI अपने लिए और अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स के लिए. और जो लोग दोनों नहीं मालूम है, आप फिर से एक बार स्लाइड पैक रेफर करो and come up with question and ask me and get acquainted with these words. Okay. Here is an example of HR, how it is defined. You can just go through it. I'll not go through this slide. We have just 3 minutes. Based on the designation, यहाँ पे KPI and KRA define किया जा रहा है. Moving ahead quickly in this 3 minutes, strategic planning model. We have already talked about. We'll just go through it. So this is the strategic planning model, that is assessment, baseline, component, down to specific and evaluate. Further, it gives the input to your actual model, strategic model. Okay. So the slide is self-explanatory. Up till now, whatever sessions I have completed, we have gone through it. It is just a nutshell of whatever we have talked about up till now. This gives the input right from assessment, the environment, the SWOT analysis, and the end result is you are actually evaluating the performance which we have just talked about. Okay, and basically a model is generated. A business plan के basis पे जो specify किया है उसके basis पे evaluate किया जाता है और एक business model किया जाता है. We'll see what is that. These are the components of a strategic plan. We talked about hierarchy, mission, vision, goal, objective, initiative, measures, targets. You can see the business pyramid. It is mapped. Why we exist is seen in mission. What we want to be is seen in vision. What we must achieve to be successful is seen in goals. Specific outcome, measurable outcomes, objectives. Planned action to achieve the objectives are nothing but the initiatives or the tasks. There are certain KPIs, indicators and monitors of success, critical success factors. And at the end, you have the desired level of targets. That defines with respect to what level of employee you are. Environment, threat and opportunity profile. This particular YouTube, actually I wanted to show you all, but it will take time. This also I'm going to share it on the WhatsApp. I request you all to see this environment, threat and opportunity profile, because based on this आपको पोर्टर्स 5 फोर्स मॉडल समझेगा जो अभी हम नहीं. Probably हम relog in करेंगे. प्रसाद sir, is it possible for 5 minutes more?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रसाद sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि मुझे 1 ही मिनट दिख रहा है तो I would like to relog in for 5 or maximum 10 more minutes so that we cover this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So I would expect everyone to relog in. And meantime, I'm going to paste this particular link on your WhatsApp group. Prasad sir, would you do this for me, please? This particular link also, because we are falling short of time. They can see it later also.